So hey guys, we are in Puerto Rico. I didn't want to vlog before we left, but I think this is the trip where I'm gonna like vlog the whole thing. I'm gonna try to, but we'll see in 2 ways. So right now we just landed in Puerto Rico and going to our hotel, and then we'll see, probably get something for dinner. Ooh, there you go. Oh. Alright, checked into the hotel. Let me show you the view. Yo, check this out. I wish GoPro had like a zoom button where I can show you that. Like that's like the T-Mobile like area, and that's really lit up with like neon and stuff. Probably we'll go there, and that's literally is the airport. We're like on the top floor. Look at the sky. It's just so nice. This whole area is just like a water body, like lake, and all the other strip is on here. Then I can see the swimming pool and stuff. This is like a great hotel. I don't know if you can see me, but we're excited. And I'm gonna show you guys the morning view. The T-Mobile district right behind me. We're gonna go get some dinner, and so far it seems lit. Good morning. So I woke up in the morning and went to the gym, and yep, feeling pretty good. We're going to get some brunch today and like explore Old San Juan today, and I'm gonna show you guys around. Probably we'll come back, we'll see, but in the night we're going out. By this time, Bad Bunny's Debut Terrar Mas Photos album was already out, so that songs were playing everywhere, like in the restaurant, on the beach, on the road, on the bus, everywhere. Whoa, just had the lunch, going back to the hotel for a while, not feeling really good in the stomach. Brad, what's wrong with you? Hey guys, just got done with the brunch. Actually breakfast.
What?
Brunch.
That is brunch.
Fine.
That's what you're supposed
Hey
to
guys.
What?
We just got done with the brunch. Going back to the hotel to rest for a while.
Okay, this looks cute.
Yeah, that's cute. Also, meanwhile, she got hurt, so now she's gonna be in this thing the whole trip. God,
Just chill.
it's so windy, but we are in the Castable thing inside, and we're gonna explore a little bit around. These are called sentry boxes, and there are about like 18 of them left in this fort. And this was used during World War II to keep an eye out for the intruders and all of that. This fort was built like 250 years for about 10 I'm super sort of slow at being around here, but it's pretty strong. It's still strong. Why are these lights so dramatic though? At this point, we were walking from tunnels to tunnels, and this was the most disappointing gentrified tunnel I've ever seen. It led us into a store, which was so disappointing, and then we came out to this, and then we went to another tunnel. Oh, maybe that leads there? This? At least this was a little bit better and more substantial. But the fort was really good. It was big, symmetric on the both ends. Guys, check this out, a rainbow. So we just got done seeing the fort and go around the neighborhood, and the streets are really colorful and bright, so we're gonna check those out. Also, I had an outfit change because when we went out in the morning, it was just like so humid and it was just like weird. Stomach was being weird, so I was like, I don't know what to do. And so then we had brunch and then went to the hotel and like rested a bit. The outfit changed, but I think I love this more than the previous one and feeling so much better and fine now. This is the Paracua San Francisco DSS. It's closed, we're not gonna go in, but we get to see it. All these houses are like really cute, and like majorly like all these little stores and you know stuff like that are also just on this street, and this is one of the lively streets. They want pets. They all want pets from you. This is like the most amazing street. Like every street that you go to, you're like, oh, this is the best street. But then it is so cool. Like, you know, everything looks so good.